My name is Jack Riggs, and I am the manager of the Hummingbird here. My mother, Michelle Elmore, is the owner, and we have been here at the Hummingbird in Fairfax for 8 years. We are a New Orleans-style breakfast and lunch restaurant. We serve everything from eggs benedict to huevos rancheros. We've got crazy things like beignets, which are a French donut. We also have po' boys, fried chicken po' boys, fried shrimp, fried oysters, things that you might not find anywhere else. We have a southern charm, as people say, and I like to really take care of people and make them feel like they're at home, and I think that people really enjoy that. So we did not have any other experience with any other restaurant kitchen flooring companies, but had a fantastic experience with Everlast and working with them in making our floors. They have been well past sufficient over the 8 years that we've had them. They're super easy to clean and maintain and take care of, and that's one thing that I really enjoy about them. I would say up and coming restaurant owners or people looking to open a new restaurant, I'd highly recommend using the Everlast floors. They've been nothing but easy and simple to use. If I had to do it all again, I would definitely pick Everlast.